Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hoping you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I sold everything, all my trades closed earlier today. I've only got long-term holdings, everything tradable closed. My fear is going into the election, what happens if Donald Trump doesn't win? And if that happens, I don't know, I think there could be quite a big drop in the market. The other thing is, what happens if Donald Trump wins and then these guys that have been printing $400 billion the last few this year, in the last few months to prop up the market going into the election, what happens if they turn it off? So I'm going to be very defensive. Tesla, I still think pumps. Bitcoin, I'm going to trade. Some altcoins I'm going to buy before they pump out of technicals. And I'm going to be defensive. The time to go heavy long and just hold was 16K. Now here at 69K, I'm being more defensive. 70K, being more defensive, entering on trades and keeping positions on breakouts. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 70K. It had a double bottom bounce at 69K with volume spiking. Nice sign, but 70K, it was at 73K a few days ago. Strong volume, but now the volume is picking up on this rise. But there's a bearish pattern that I'm going to show you that I'm a bit worried about. When it zooms out, you'll see it. It's a rising wedge, which is bearish. People chatting 72K, 67K resistances, 2.4 trillion market cap, 440,000 viewers, Bitcoin price.live, 60K bonus with Bybit, 75 greed. It's at 70K and now we're at greed. I like to buy when it's at fear and go heavy in. When it's at greed, I want to be defensive. 55% dominance, so Bitcoin is still dominating the market. Funding fee positive, 70K. Here, double bottom in the short term on the 15-minute. We're going to jump into the longer term, and I'm going to show you my trades, my account, which is now pretty much all cash. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in, and almost all cash. 728K. I've got 93K of MCRT, which I'm the seed investor of this, and I've been buying a lot off the open market and my own tokens. 440, the rest is cash, so 728. This account was 150, and I've withdrawn 300K for seed investing. These were my Bitcoin futures trades. So you can see here my last trades. So what I've been trading Bitcoin. So this is a real account you're looking at. Oh, it got rid of my sell here. That sucks. There was a sell here, buys down here at 52, sell here. And you can see my trades, and if you look at the history, quite positive on the P&L, which is beautiful. All these are positive trades. That was a negative trade, so doing good on P&L. And now we'll jump into Bitcoin. So I want to try and catch. I've already got my trade set up actually. If you watch my other video, so I've got a 20 Bitcoin trade at 62K, and then I've got. That's on futures, and then I've got buy for spot at $5.60 for Uniswap, $1.35 for World, 14 cents for Doge. Now let's look at Bitcoin and the total market cap to see if we're going to get a drop-off. See, this rising wedge is what I'm worried about on Bitcoin. On the longer-term timeframes, though, we're out of a huge breakout patterns. Massive cup and handle, which is very bullish, and bull flag, which is very bullish. So still huge patterns that are very bullish. Bitcoin indicator bot is still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023 at 20K. Still a blue buy up here. Didn't flip to a sell yet. Bitcoin indicator bot flipped to a buy 2 weeks ago. So every indicator is quite bullish. Stochastic, though, is overbought, but it's still heading green. On the daily, stochastic is midway turning up. But again, this little bit of a rising wedge here. But it's breaking out of this bull flag, and it's retested this big support that was resistance, 72, 72, 72. And you can see it broke out and retested that support at 67. Like, see how the trend line is making it. But it is going down, but it is breaking out of a bull flag. However, this rising wedge, I would love to get in at 62 on my trade. In my opinion, would be the best entry of that rising wedge. If I go into the 4-hourly, still in this channel, still heading up. Trend is your friend. So that it's still trending up in the short term. So it can easily come up to 74K. Stochastic turning up. It's going to pump, it looks like. Bitcoin can pump here. But rising wedge. I'd rather go into some. Let's look at something like more. But the money's going all into the ETFs. It's just going into meme coins. This is total market cap of all crypto. You can see huge bull flag. And you can see that we're coming to a big moment here. It's a symmetrical triangle that broke to the upside. But you can see it's joining this bull flag at the same moment. And this all comes to a head around here. 29th this year, November. Bull flag as well. But this is a bit like a rising wedge also, if you look at it, actually. Like if you measure it like this, so total market cap of all crypto is all cryptocurrencies. Also a rising wedge, you see? I don't know, I think everyone's going crazy bullish here, and the time to go crazy bullish was at 16k in my opinion. If this breaks down, 1.8 trillion, it will be bloodbath in the markets. Hopefully it breaks up. Hopefully this bull flag plays out. Let's go closer. 4 hourly. So I want to be defensive. I've got my buy set down. Let's look at Doge. Let's look at Tesla actually, because I'm holding a lot of Tesla. If you followed my buys, we bought at 141. It's up 91% almost since I bought it. Inverse head and shoulder, you can see here on Tesla. And you can see it's getting ready to break out of a massive symmetrical triangle. Upside would be the target 600. Trying to see if there's any big pattern for me. We have this trend line. What is that? Looks like a bit of a rising triangle. No, rising wedge? I don't know. What does that look like? Rising triangle. These are bullish patterns. So Tesla's about to pump. Target of this breakout would be base of this rising triangle. Around a lot of different, these are all different breakout patterns for all these different technical setups. You can learn all in the Crypto Mastercourse. So you can see all the targets that I have for Tesla. So these green lines are the resistance lines where you'll find resistance when it breaks out. But look at this, all ready to line up. So I went more heavy into Tesla. I'm going to stay defensive in crypto. Let's look at Doge. But Bitcoin looks like it could pump out here. Doge also getting resistance. But this is a big resistance area. If you look on the weekly, this is, of course, an area of resistance because back in 2021, 2022, this was a big area of resistance, is 16 cents. So it is pushing out, but look, the stochastic very overbought. However, volume is growing. I don't know, I don't feel, but look at the volume on Doge. Volume predicts price. It came all the way to 15.4. But I would rather get it at 14. That's the best, 14 cents. And that's where I've got to buy, I think, Doge at 14 cents. I'm going to leave my trades. If something comes in that knocks it out, all my trades will activate. It'll be great. Go down below, Bybit, 60k bonus, CoinW, 3k bonus, jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and to join us in the Telegram. Telegram, there is 522 of you online discussing right now. I saw a descending triangle. This guy is making great trades. You can see all their technical setups. You can go all learn together and discuss together. That's my update in the market, everyone. I'm going to leave it at that. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. In summary, long Tesla. I'm very strong long Tesla. I'm defensive in crypto, taking trades on breakouts, and I have all my orders actually laddered down. The money's made when you buy and not when you sell. This is not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence, and you can think of this as like a free guy that's trading with 750k from 150k or 729, how much it is, and you can watch my mistakes and learn from them. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.